car makes 346 horsepower from the factory. You know, it's pretty good. I used to have a WRX, that one was eh. But 346 from the factory, 428 torque from the factory. IE, biggest sale of the year. I had to jump on it. It's a stage 1 tune from IE. Comes with the TCU tune. We're gonna flash it behind the camera's got a laptop in my car. This tune is supposed to get it up to 446. Flash it, stage 1, that's it. It's stock, nothing's on it except for that kick-ass grill. 446 horsepower, 548 foot-pounds of torque. First, we're gonna do some stock stuff. You guys are gonna see what it sounds like stock. You guys are gonna see a 0 to 60 stock. You might get pulled over. That could be some pretty good clickbait. But yeah, bro. So let's get started, but first you guys need to see what a stock one does and then the reaction to what just this does in like half an hour. Let's do that. We gotta go to Mexico to figure out what this car makes stock 0 to 60 and what it sounds like stock. I've had this car for about, what, 6 months now? I got it back in June. It's been amazing. I used to have a tuned WRX before that blew up. Too much water, hydrolocked the engine, long story short, and crying on the inside. But this thing's pretty snazzy. Like, you guys, you can show them. It's just beautiful, and my tune's just sitting in a cup holder. It's like it was made for this car. But like, back to that, like, I get 15 miles per gallon in the city and about 25 on the highway. So it took me an hour up here on the highway. I got 25 miles per gallon. It's not that bad. Why is this guy shining me? Relax, bro. My car's on. My biggest issue was with the tune, like, you know, this is a sports car. It's gonna eat gas. Maybe we should go to the gas station first. I called IE. They have an amazing customer support. I was like, yo guys, it doesn't say anywhere on your website if you guys, if your tunes are better for gas mileage or not. So what do you think? They were like, well, technically we can't really disclose that information because like there's not really any, like every car is different and we can't guarantee that. But like in my personal experience, whoever I talked to, I don't remember his name. It was like 2 months ago when I was thinking about getting the tune. He was like, bro, you're gonna love this tune. And you might actually see some plus sides to the miles per gallon. I was like, sick, bro. I'm totally gonna go through you guys because everybody with Audis, they usually go with APR. And APR, I know you can go through the dealership, but like I'm not like everybody else. I don't want to do what everybody else does. I got this car and I chose IE because they have a great customer service. Their products seem pretty legit. I mean, if my car blows up tomorrow, this video will probably never get posted, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm low on gas, so let's go to the gas station. Dude, it's 469.
What's up by you?
We should go to Mexico more often.
Oh my god, that's not a pole.
It's a fake pole. Gotta feel her up. F-I-L-L. Feel. P-H-I-L. Feel. Oh look, FIFA. Look at that. Not bad. We got a red light, manual transmission, traction control off. That's 60. 60 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen. 346 horsepower, 438, 48, I don't know, dude. How'd that feel? Was it nice? Was it fast?
Held me in my seat.
It held you in your seat?
Yeah.
All right, next time let's just throw you over your seat.
Okay.
This is stock, and we're gonna rev it a little bit so you know what it sounds like when it's stock. Regardless of a tune, I just wanna rev my car. All right, well, stock, you got a rev limiter at 4,000 RPM. Hopefully with this tune, they say that you don't have a rev limiter anymore on park or neutral or anything. So let's flash the tune now. This is what it got shipped in. Spent $900 for it to get shipped in an envelope. That's how they do it nowadays. But this is how it came. It came loose like this. You got the tune obviously in here. It's a straight OBD2. You got regular USB-A to USB-C cable. USB-C cable goes into this OBD2 right there, which is actually pretty snazzy. What else came in the box bag envelope? Got this 6 window sticker, but this is what we really need. This came inside of here, but obviously when I was showing you guys in the intro and all that, it doesn't look that cool if it's getting covered by this, you know. IE, you guys should like put it in a separate envelope or like, welcome to your power. We got the laptop right next to me. Matthew's gonna hook it up. We're gonna tune my car. There we go! Yeah, baby. And then all you gotta do is just hit install. Flash Wizard. Got the OBD2, and we got cable. USB-C, plug it into there. USB, plug into his laptop where we download all the malware. I bet. Now,
Oh, you want to put your information in?
oh, yes. Click tune, and now we have the wizard. Plug your PowerLink V3 dongle into the OBD2 port. This is usually located down by the pedals. You gotta feel around for it. You know what it feels like? It feels like this. Just the male end down by the pedals. Down by the pedals. Okay, well, that's where I thought it would be, but that's not where the pedals are, so. All right, OBD2 port is in. Please turn your ignition to the on position. If you have a push button, start. Do not push the brake. All right, well, the car's on right now. We should probably turn off the car, right? Yeah. So turn your car off. Now it's on. See? Now we're connected. Detecting the transmission, detecting the engine computer. Oh my goodness. All right, transmission first. Let's do the TCU. All right, stage one. Stage one, there you go. Flash that and hit flash.
We're at -0%.
That's not great. Downloading the tune. All right, we got the tune, starting the programming session. Yeah, we got malfunctions like you should. Yeah. Cruise control, presets. Don't you worry, guys. I saw videos about this. Obviously, this video is better, but I'm letting you guys know if this happens, this is normal. This is normal. Drive system malfunction, sport differential malfunction. Dude, it is Christmas. Well, you know, it is Christmas. So you need the Christmas trees. All right, stuff's lighting up. We're validating a whole bunch of stuff. 43%. Guess what? This is just the TCU tune. So that's just transmission tune right now. Once this is done, we got to flash the stage one. And then some revs. We'll do a couple pulls and call it a night. Now we're on validating. It didn't finish writing, but it went straight to validating at 89%. Oh, I found a French fry. 96%, 97%. Are you hyped? I'm hyped. And 100%, yay, validating. If you have any other modules to flash, please make sure to start the car and turn it off, and then back on before starting another flash. Congratulations. Now go have some fun. So turn the car off. All right, we're off. Now I start it up.
No, not that.
No?
Like you did before.
Are you sure?
You can do whatever.
What do you mean you can do whatever? I don't want to do whatever.
It just said turn it off, so it's completely off now.
Yeah.
Then turn it back on.
All right, we turn the car back on, hit tune. All right, next. Detecting the engine, detecting the transmission, recent flashes. All right.
See, now it sees that flash.
All right, we got the transmission. Now we got to do the engine. We got to go to stage one, 93 octane. Now you have to hit flash. It meets the requirements. Yes, perfect. Got enough credits.
Just
Verifying tune is purchased, connecting to the server of IE, downloading the tune. Sick. Oh, transmission malfunction. You may continue driving. Limited functionality. Please contact service. Stabilization control malfunction. See the owner's manual. Ooh, we got ding dongs. It's a Christmas tree, ladies and gentlemen. Tire pressure. Tire pressure malfunction again. Oh my goodness. I think it was erasing my ECU. Dude, this car, 6%. Ooh, again, tire pressure. Man, this tune loves to mess with my tire pressure. I probably shouldn't say that. IE's gonna be like, we're not messing with your tire pressure. 97% anxiety. 100%. Okay. Ta-da. But you gotta trust the process. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I think it's done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit finish. Gonna turn off the car. This was high anxiety levels, mainly because I'm scared. Back in the box. It's a beautiful box. I'm gonna propose to my future girlfriend with this. Future wife? Future fiance. All right, we're gonna start her up. All right. I gotta put my seatbelt on, but that's about it, boys and girls. It is currently at about 500 RPM, and we're gonna give you some revs and then go for a drive. So let's do that. You can stop recording and then go outside. She definitely revs to redline now. There's no more rev limiter. I put it in sport dynamic mode, as you can see right here. Sport dynamic. It already sounds louder just by putting it in drive. So we're gonna do a couple pulls.
Take it right.
On the new, okay, thank you. We're gonna do a couple pulls on the new Stage 1 tune by Integrated Engineering. Driving pretty smooth right now, 27 miles an hour, 28 miles an hour. Just going through suburbs of Mexico City.
And then there's a car coming, so you can either have judgment or just not do stupid shit.
All right, let's do it. Jesus Christ, it goes all the way, dude. Wow, it went all the way to red line like that. 80 miles an hour, from 20 to 80. Holy sheesh. It felt like it wanted to keep going, didn't it?
Dude, it pulled me back harder than last time, than when we did it stock.
Well, it should, 100 more horsepower, holy crap. Right around this little Jeep.
There's turns up here, so be careful.
Wow. It's very linear. Like it just pulls. It doesn't there's no struggle, there's no nothing. This is just S dynamic mode. No manual shifting at all. It's already 90. Wow. Okay. I think we should try some manual shifting. Bangers. Downshift to third. And gun it. Holy shit.
That really does put a smile on your face, doesn't it?
Wow. Holy cow, my heart is pounding. Dude, this thing pulls so hard. I'm like in my seat. It is pushing me back. Before it was just, you know, a fun sports car. Now, Stage 1, $900, bro. That's sick. Wow. Those crackles and pops.
They're a lot deeper.
Yeah, they're a lot deeper, a lot more of them. I know if you get Stage 2 with the downpipe, they say that you get crackles like the Jaguar F-Pace SVR and the what is it called? The F-Type SVR. Those do a lot of crackles and pops. That's what I want. So next up, I want to do the Stage 2 to this car, but I got to do downpipe and exhaust. I also want to do the IE carbon fiber intake with the carbon fiber turbo inlet, and then probably an intercooler at Stage 2, 3, 93, maybe even E85. And at that point, you're making almost like what, 505 horsepower to the wheels. And like, dude, these pops are way louder. Holy shit. This car just goes. Wow. So like in the low end, this car is like, you know, it goes, but then once you hit boost, it really goes. Holy f, that's a stop sign. Woo! Gonna do 0 to 60. Manual transmission, traction control off. 60. Technically 80 again. Holy f, that's insane. Oh my god. Dude, it pulls so hard. And the pops are more pronounced. It's so linear. You just put the foot down on the gas and it goes.
What did your parents say when you bought the car?
They said don't tune it.
What did we do in this video?
Dude, we tuned it to 446 horsepower, 548 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is nuts. I highly recommend IE tuning. They're nuts. Link in description for what I got. Link in description for the grill. Links in description for all my YouTube channels. I've got gaming channel. I've got merch. That's a minivan. I've got a gaming channel. I've got a main channel. I got this channel where I just post random edits and fun stuff. So this is gonna go on this channel. If you guys find me, go check me out. Links over there, links down there. Comment down below if you think that this is a sick tune, because I do. Matthew's still shaking. Look at his knees. Dude, peace out. Subscribe. Say goodbye, Matthew.
Bye-bye.